Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about what causes rates to go down. Now this is a question I'm asked multiple times a day, every day, because we're always looking into, locking interest rates, and sometimes it takes that crystal ball, and I'm going to explain why. So sometimes people think that, on the news, when the Fed speak and they lower the rates, a lot of people called me and said, hey, I want to get a mortgage at that 0% interest rate. That's not exactly how the rates work. So when the feds lower the rates, they're lowering the rate that the banks borrow money from them. But obviously the banks have to make a profit in what they do. So how the mortgage interest rates work, the rates change daily, and a lot of times I get rate changes a couple times a day. That's how often they go, especially in this economy right now. So in this economy that we're in with all the corona time and the coronavirus and COVID-19, whatever you want to call it, what's affecting the rates right now is the fact that the feds are buying an obscene amount of mortgage-backed securities. So because they're trying to stimulate the economy through housing, they're putting a lot of money into mortgage-backed securities, which is keeping our interest rates super low. Right now we're at historical low rates for interest rates. On a normal time, when we're not in all the craziness that we're going through right now, typically the rates are judged by the 10-year bond. So when we go back to a normal market and you kind of want to see the fluctuation of rates, like where they're going to go up or down, that's usually where you'd want to go to, is go onto the 10-year bond and see the movement on that. If it's moving down, then typically we'll see rate movement downwards. If it's moving up, then typically we'll see rate moving upwards. Lately though, like I said, it's not really following that trend because the feds are looking to stimulate the economy through housing, so they're putting a lot of money into the mortgage-backed securities, which is causing our rates to be super low. So as far as purchasing a house or even refinancing a house, right now there's never really been a better time to do it than right now when you're talking as far as interest rates, because they're being forced to go lower because what the Fed is putting into those rates. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions for me, I'm going to leave my phone number on the screen. Feel free to call me anytime. And I hope you have a great day.